Hi everyone, this is Zuoguan Wang from Sesame Technologies. The topic I'm going to present today is joint regularization on activations and weights for efficient neural network pruning. This is a joint work with Duke University. We all know that neural networks have achieved state-of-the-art performance on a lot of applications. However, most high-performance networks have very large size. They typically have many layers with tens of millions of parameters. They require huge amount of computation and typically run on GPU servers, which have very large memory and consume a lot of power. However, in many applications, the network needs to be deployed on embedded systems, which in contrast have very limited resources. ADAS, or autonomous driving, is a typical example, where a lot of perception algorithms like object detection, lane detection, free space, and semantic segmentation need to run simultaneously on an automotive embedded board. So the key challenge is how to squeeze these networks into the embedded system while keeping good performance.